when Wuben asked me if I wanted to review the X4, I was like, yeah, send it over. We'll review the X4, whatever that is. And we have it here right now. And it's one of those things that, you know, without even knowing exactly what it does, it just looks so cool. You want to check it out. And that's what we're going to do here today. Chaotically unbox this on the Jim Kincaid YouTube channel. The X4. All right. It's metal. That is amazing. That this thing is like, it's solid, you know? No chintzy plastic. This feels rugged, feels durable. And there's a pocket clip. And this is like a double pocket clip. And there's some kind of adjustment dial and a selector. All right. By the way, in the box, you also have a USB-C to USB-C, a lanyard, and instructions. I'm going to learn as I go. You guys can figure it out with me. You got to unlock this. Pry it. Whoa, okay. Take off this protective sheet. And here's the battery. And it's a Wuben battery. That's pretty cool. Just one of those in there. All right. Oh, yeah, that's a really nice lid. I'm going to have to do that again because I want to see exactly how you do that because I don't even remember. But I guess you unlock it and press right here. All right, there you go. There's like a latch. Now you lock it. All right. I'm impressed by that. Look at the shape. It's like, it's a rectangular shape. This end is a magnet. This end has lights. All right. So now the selector's on lock. Now we have beams. So that's the side. Okay. Oh, I see. So right here, when you select this light pointing towards the side light comes on. And this dial, now we are adjusting the strength of that beam on the side. All right. Let me see if this turns on the front-facing lights. And yes. And does this dial adjust the luminosity? Yes. That's bright. All right. That's a little too bright. Sorry if I blinded you guys, but I had to test that out. Now there's one more position. And what does this do? I have it in here on a crescent moon, so I'm going to assume it's some kind of night light. You guys see a night light turning on anywhere. So you have night light. So that must be the dim setting. I don't know what the difference is. Guys, that's why they have the instruction book. And since this is just unboxing, I cannot give you the answers for what all these buttons do. But when you look at the back of the box, you can see that there's all these different settings and details about, well, apparently it flashes red and blue or red or green. How do we get to that? Well, look at these instructions. This is thick. Gentlemen, I will read the instructions for you and then give you a guide on how to use the Wuben X4, which they sent to me for review. Well, they're going to get an unboxing, which is right now the chaotic unboxing, and I'll give you guys a review. But I will also give you guys a rundown so that if you, like me, are confused by exactly what's going on, I'll let you know. But I mean, the X4 by Wuben is a flashlight. And this flashlight right here is pocketable, right? It's an everyday carry size. And it looks really cool. It's all metal. You got lights on the front and you have lights on the side. And you have a magnet on the back and a lot of really cool buttons here. All right, there you go. So apparently you have this like tactical button in the back. So while pointing the flashlight, you can turn it on and off. All right. Oh, wow. Dang, that's bright. I may have just damaged my camera. Wow. All right. So there's a button here and a button here. There's a lot of configuration of the buttons, and you can lock it out. Now, how do you charge it? Oh, okay. It's under the selector, the USB port. All right. Well, that's where you plug in the USB. So right now it's protected. It's locked out. And, you know, if you wanted to charge it, you move the selector to this moon symbol. All right. So obviously, gentlemen, there's a lot going on the Wuben X4. I'm just learning. Now, let me tell you about the size. It is about 4 inches long, maybe a little bit less. I would say 3 3/4 inch long, maybe a little bit more actually. It's about 3/4 inch thick, but then when you add in this pocket clip, it comes out to be 1 inch. That's amazing. It's 1 inch thick with the pocket clip, all right? The width is about 1 3/8 inches. So that's pretty good. 1 3/8 inches by 3/4 inch or 1 inch with the clip, and about 3 3/4 inch long. So that's mighty compact, and you get a lot of light. Like I just showed you, when I shine the light at the camera, it is blinding, okay? So you get a lot of luminosity out of this. Now, the weight here, it says about 5 ounces, right? So let me just tell you its stats, because it says that the white light can go up has a turbo, which can go up to 1,500 lumens. Now, obviously, when you go in that bright, you can't go for too long because the flashlight will run out of power and get too hot, right? So turbo is just temporary. You want to shine this thing, 1,500 lumens, you have that button for that. Now, in terms of durability, it's IP68 rated. So 2 meters underfoot for 1 hour. That's, you know, what is that, like 6.5 feet? And then it can be dropped from 3 meters, which is about 3 feet. So this is pretty durable, right? This is durable. This is leaving dents in my workbench. And will it still turn on after those repeated drops? Yeah, it's still shining. The back indicated something about different colors, and I believe that the different colors are on these side LEDs, because I don't see any colors on the front-facing ones. Now, how do you access the colors? I don't know. Maybe repeated button presses? Maybe holding the button. Oh, there. Yeah, there we go. Hold the button. And here's the red. There's the white. There's the red and the white. Now they're alternating while I'm holding down the button. All right. Well, that's pretty cool. So a lot to learn about the Wuben X4. And I think that it's really cool, really, really good size. That, you know, it fits in your hand, and it's not a cylindrical shape. It's a rectangular shape, which I think could help with pocket carry. If you were to carry it in your pants pocket, I feel like it wouldn't be too heavy, just holding it in my hand. And in your pants pocket, you have this clip, and so obviously it'll protrude out of your pocket a little bit, but be easy to grab. You get a good purchase on it to yank it out of the pocket. And grippage is good. This metal is not slippery. It has a good feel to it, in my opinion. And then with all these buttons, it's going to take some muscle memory to get used to them. But because it's not perfectly symmetrical, you know, if you were to pull it out of the pocket and you get used to hitting these buttons in a certain way, I think that you'd get used to it. Like, because like, say I'm holding it this way, I can tell by feel that the button's here. If I took it out the wrong way, it would be immediately obvious, because this feels a lot different. All right. So first impressions, positive of the Wuben X4. And look, it says hot. You know that a flashlight is bright when there's a warning that it gets hot. You know, it looks like, you know, could you put a cup of noodle soup on top and then warm it up? Well, that could be another test. On the Jim Kincaid YouTube channel, we test items in real-world scenarios. And one of those real-world scenarios is that you're hungry and you want to heat up cup of noodle soup. Can you do that with a flashlight? Maybe, I don't know. But you could definitely illuminate that cup of noodle soup from across a football field with how bright the Wuben X4 is. And you have a magnetic base, all right? So you can stick it on the frame rail of a truck if you're working on it, and you can turn it around to have this light or the front-facing light pointed in different directions. And I still think that this lever right here is really fun to use. Press down to spring open the battery compartment and then lock it down. In this pocket clip is like a double pocket clip. So you know it's gonna last a long time, and it's tight against the frame. See that? Now I suppose if you didn't want a pocket clip for whatever reason, it's removable, and that to me looks like Torx. Tiny Torx, all right? So you can get out your tool set and take off this pocket clip if you did not want to use it. But in handling it, it doesn't really get in the way. So I would not find the need to remove the pocket clip. Even if I wasn't using it, I'd keep it on just in case. And where's the lanyard loop? Is there a lanyard loop? They might intend for you to use the pocket clip to secure the lanyard. I do not see a separate lanyard loop. Do any of you guys see one? No? All right. So use the pocket clip to secure the lanyard loop. Well, thanks to Wuben for sending me an X4. All right. I'll test it out and I'll let you gentlemen know how it fares. But like I said, first impressions positive. I'll leave a link below if you're interested in buying one of your own. And as I'm filming this, Black Friday is coming up, 2025. And I happen to know that, well, let me rephrase that. Maybe it will be on sale. Wink, wink, nudge, nudge, all right? So make sure you check out where Wuben is sold, like Wuben or Amazon. And, you know, I'll leave a link. Check in on Black Friday, see if you can get it on sale. And we'll see how it does outside at night. And we'll see the illumination. We'll give it a lot of good testing for you guys. Gentlemen, Jesus is the way, the truth, and the life. No man comes to the Father except through him. I'm Jim Kincaid. Thanks for watching.